For the first step, we're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Once we're on it, we're going to click on this PC and then click on our C drive and then click on Windows. Then we're going to scroll down until we find software distribution. We're going to click on that and then click on download. And then you want to click on Control A on your keyboard and then delete everything in this folder. I'm not going to do it because I don't have this problem, but you delete everything in this folder. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and then type in CMD. Then we're going to run it as administrator and then click on yes. Once we're on this, we're going to type wuauclt.exe space / update now and click on enter. For the next step, we're going to head over to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. Once we're on this, we're going to untick load startup items. Then we're going to click on the services tab. And then you want to tick hide all Microsoft services. Once you do that, we're going to click on disable all. And then we're going to click on OK, which will then ask you to do a restart, but do not restart it yet. Finish all the other steps in this video first and then restart your computer. So then you want to click on exit without restart. Next, we're going to head over to search and then type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. Once we're on registry editor, we're going to expand HK local machine. You can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So once we expand HK local machine, you want to expand software. Then you want to scroll down and expand Microsoft. Then you want to scroll down again and expand Windows. Then you want to expand current version. Then you want to scroll down to the very bottom and you want to expand Windows Update. Then you want to click on Auto Update. Now once you're on the Auto Update page, you want to click on the blank space and then click on New and then click on dword 32-bit value. And then you want to open up the file and then you want to change the value data to 1 and click on OK. Now after you do everything in this video, restart your computer and then you want to open the Windows Media Creation tool as an administrator and then your problem will be fixed.